Welcome everyone. My name is Tariq. I'm from Bloggers Bloom. There's a quick little video on how you can actually check a domain if it is actually available or not. There are a number of websites where you can actually check if a particular domain is actually available or not. You have a lot of domain name registrars from where you can go ahead and check it. For instance, a Namecheap or a GoDaddy. Now, one website which I really recommend is basically the Name Checker. The reason being simple. As you can see, apart from also checking your particular domain name, it also helps you figure out whether that particular name, that particular handle that you actually create is actually available across all the various other social media platforms. Now, once you do go ahead and register a domain, I guess it's pretty obvious you would be going ahead and trying to create a page or a handle, maybe on a Facebook or on a Twitter or maybe even on Instagram. So it's great to know that that particular domain name that you're actually going ahead and buying, or probably the name that you're going ahead and buying, is actually available across all these platforms. After all, one of the key elements of building a brand is having a consistent name across various platforms. So, for instance, let me just go ahead and just for an example, let's say I want to build a website. So let's just check if this particular domain is actually available or not. Now, this platform checks whether the domain is, that particular name is available across all these platforms. As you can see, this particular domain, that particular domain.com is not available. But on the flip side, you have it available on Facebook, you have it available on Tumblr. Again, Twitter, it is actually not available. On Twitch, you have a .net available, the MySpace and the YouTube, all those are available, as well as a .org. So other than an extra word here as now, there you go. Now you get to know that this particular name is available, the domain is actually available with your .com, your Facebook is available, Twitter again surprisingly is not available, Tumblr, Reddit, Slack, etc. .net, .org are all available. So this gives you a clear understanding that, okay, fine, I'll go ahead and pick this up, and along with this, I know that I can go ahead and have my Facebook page, my other social media accounts, all having the same consistent brand name. And then there are a number of registrars. Let's say, for example, this is a Namecheap, where you can go ahead and just type out the particular domain name and probably put the .com as well and click on search. And once you know that this particular domain is actually available because you've already just checked it out, and there you go, that particular domain is available, you can go ahead and pick up both the domain if you want, pick up the domain here and pick up the hosting elsewhere, or you can pick up both as well. And some of the best hosting service providers which I really recommend is, one is of course SiteGround. I'll have the links of these mentioned below in the description of this particular video as well. And another one is basically the best, again, which everyone uses, is Bluehost. So you can maybe go ahead and pick up your domain name from Namecheap and then make use of the hosting in either Bluehost or SiteGround, or if you want to go with both with Namecheap, you can do that as well. I thought I'll quickly mention this because a lot of people they go ahead and book the domain and then they figure out, oh, I don't have that particular name in the social media. So this is a nice little tool. I mean, it's completely free. You just go ahead and check this out and you get to know whether your particular name is actually available across all the various other platforms as well. I hope this actually helps. If it helps, please just give a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll be having a number of similar kind of videos coming up soon. So thanks a lot and see you soon again. Bye.